Want to take Zoom calls directly from your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y? As of 2026, it's possible using the cabin camera. The cabin camera, located in the rearview mirror area, captures your video feed for seamless conferencing. The feature integrates with your Tesla's 15-inch touchscreen, making it easy to manage calls while driving. You can join Zoom meetings with participants displayed on the central screen. Control Zoom functions like mute, video toggle, and screen share directly from the touchscreen. This feature turns your Tesla into a mobile office, perfect for remote work and commuting. Make sure your vehicle runs the latest software version for optimal performance. This video will guide you through setup and best practices for seamless in-car video conferencing. Before using Zoom calls in your Tesla, ensure your vehicle is running software version 2025.44 or later. This update includes the necessary integrations for the cabin camera functionality. You'll also need a Zoom account. This allows the integration to work seamlessly with your Tesla's system. Link your Tesla account to your Zoom account through the Tesla app on your phone or directly on Tesla's website. This pairing enables the feature. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth Zoom calls. Your Tesla can use cellular data or Wi-Fi. Tesla recommends at least 4G LTE connectivity and 5G for optimal high-definition video quality during calls. Begin by opening the Zoom app on your Tesla's touchscreen. Navigate to the app menu and select Zoom to launch it. Once the app opens, sign in using your Zoom credentials. Enter your email and password on the touchscreen interface. After signing in, grant the necessary camera and microphone permissions when prompted. The system will request access to these features for the Zoom call. The system will automatically calibrate the cabin camera. This ensures optimal positioning and focus for your video calls. You may be prompted for biometric verification using facial recognition. This ensures only authorized users can initiate calls for security. To initiate a Zoom call using voice commands, simply say, "Hey Tesla, start Zoom call with contact name." The vehicle's voice assistant will recognize the command and begin setting up the call. Alternatively, you can initiate a call by navigating to the Zoom app directly on the touchscreen. Tap the Zoom icon, then select your contact or enter a meeting ID to start the call. Once the call is initiated, the cabin camera located above the rearview mirror automatically activates. It captures high-quality video of the driver and passengers for the Zoom call. The Zoom call interface appears on the central 15-inch touchscreen, showing the video feed from your camera and the other participants. The display integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's infotainment system. During the call, use the touchscreen to manage various functions. You can mute or unmute your microphone, turn video on or off, share your screen, and manage participants. The interface is intuitive and designed for easy use while driving. Tesla's 12-speaker audio system delivers clear, balanced sound during Zoom calls. The speakers are strategically placed throughout the cabin to ensure even audio distribution, minimizing distortion and enhancing call quality. The vehicle's microphones feature advanced noise-canceling technology that actively reduces road noise and background sounds. This adaptive system analyzes incoming noise and generates opposing sound waves to cancel it out, resulting in crystal-clear audio for your Zoom participants. For optimal video quality, position yourself in the center of the cabin to ensure proper framing. The cabin camera automatically adjusts lighting, focus, and framing using AI, but you can manually tilt the camera angle through the touchscreen controls for fine-tuning. Tesla prioritizes your privacy. All Zoom calls using the cabin camera are end-to-end encrypted, ensuring that your conversations remain secure and private from unauthorized access. You have full control over your privacy. You can disable the camera feed at any time during a call or switch to voice-only mode to maintain audio communication without video. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication on your Zoom account. This requires a second verification step beyond your password, such as a code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator app. Tesla's system automatically logs all Zoom sessions for review purposes. This provides an additional layer of accountability and transparency, helping to ensure responsible use of the in-car communication features. If you encounter connectivity problems during Zoom calls, try switching to a Wi-Fi hotspot or restarting the infotainment system. For camera issues, ensure the lens is clean and unobstructed to maintain clear video quality. If audio is distorted during calls, check microphone settings in the Tesla infotainment system. Regularly update your Tesla software to benefit from the latest improvements and bug fixes for Zoom functionality. The integration of Zoom into Tesla vehicles reflects a broader trend toward connected mobility, where cars become extensions of personal and professional workspaces. Expect future enhancements like AR overlays on the windshield for multi-screen calls, allowing multiple participants to appear as if they're floating in front of you. AI avatars could provide hands-free responses during calls, using natural language processing to interact while you focus on driving. Tesla is leading the charge in turning your car into a truly mobile office, combining autonomous driving with advanced connectivity features.